Step 1. Eligibility requirements. Before you can become an armed security guard in California, you must qualify for both General Guard registration and the Exposed Firearm Permit. To qualify, you have to be at least 18 to become an unarmed guard, be at least 21 to obtain an Exposed Firearm Permit, be legally authorized to work in the U.S., have no disqualifying criminal convictions, be legally eligible to possess a firearm under California and federal law, pass DOJ and FBI background checks, possess a valid government-issued photo ID. A note for California: as California does not issue guard licenses through police departments, all licensing is handled by BSIS, Bureau of Security and Investigative Services. Step 2. Do you need to be licensed as an unarmed guard first in California? Yes, you must obtain a valid California Guard Card and hold that registration before applying for the Exposed Firearm Permit. I've already made a video called How to Get a Security Guard License in California 2025, outlining that process, which you can find in my state-by-state Guard Card Guide playlist, linked in the description. Step 3. Firearms eligibility. Before you can apply for an Exposed Firearm Permit, you must be 21, be legally eligible to possess a firearm, and complete a BSIS-mandated psychological assessment. This psychological assessment is required before your firearm permit application. Skipping this step will result in denial. Step 4. Complete your Exposed Firearm training. This is your armed upgrade in California. You must complete BSIS-approved firearms training, classroom instruction covering firearm safety, legal use of force, firearm storage and transport laws, live fire range qualification, qualification on the specific caliber you intend to carry. Your certified instructor submits proof of completion directly to BSIS. This process has a lot of moving parts, but I made a How to Get an Armed Guard License PDF that gives a general guideline of the process. You can grab it on my Beacons or Etsy pages, linked in the description. Step 5. Submit your Exposed Firearm Permit application. You'll need an active California Guard Card, firearms training cert, psychological assessment completion, firearm-specific live scan fingerprints, required BSIS application fee. Applications are submitted online through Breeze. Step 6. Understand exactly what this permit allows and what it does not. The key rules are: you may carry only while on duty, carry must be exposed, not concealed, firearm must match the caliber on your permit. This permit does not authorize off-duty carry. This permit is not a CCW. Violating these conditions can permanently revoke your armed status. Step 7. Let's talk cost and what armed guards actually make in California. Starting from scratch, Guard Card training is $50 to $150. Live scan fingerprinting $70 to $100. Guard Card application $55. Firearms training $150 to $300. Firearm permit application $100. Psychological assessment $60 to $100. Total between $485 and $800. And for perspective, costs exclude firearm, ammunition, holster, and duty gear. BLS data doesn't distinguish between armed and unarmed guards, so the median California security guard wage is roughly $21.12 an hour. According to Indeed, the armed guard average in California is $23 an hour, roughly $2 more per hour for going armed. Step 8. Keep your armed status active. The requirements: firearm permit renews every 2 years. You need a biannual range requalification. Guard card must remain active at all times. Failure to requalify or renew on time will suspend armed status. Step 9. Once approved, you can apply for armed security positions statewide. Search job sites like Indeed. Join r/guard guides and check my Beacons and Etsy pages for tools, checklists, and templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.